Hi guys, this is Shikha and welcome back to my channel. So if you guys are over my Instagram, you guys know that I absolutely love making my own DIY hair mask and oil. So today's video is going to be another DIY hair oil which I absolutely love. It's super simple to make and all the ingredients are super high quality, easily available and has lots of amazing benefits. So this DIY oil will be making using fenugreek seeds and amla, which is Indian gooseberry, and both are really amazing ancient Ayurvedic ingredients. You can also use this oil to deep condition your hair and it really nourishes your hair and help them grow super fast. And I always make this hair oil during winter months because it's super nourishing and has lots of benefits. And in the winter months, hair tend to get so dry and this is like really great for that. And since winter months are not very far, I thought of making the oil for myself and sharing it with you. Okay, so here I have all the ingredients. First up, we'll be using this fenugreek seeds. So fenugreek seeds are really amazing for preventing hair fall and it also helps in promoting healthy hair growth. Next up, we'll be using amla, which is also called as Indian gooseberry. This one is a great source of vitamin C and this is grated and dried ones which my mom got from India, but you can totally get the powdered one from Amazon. This one is really great for strengthening the hair follicle that helps with the hair fall. Again, it has anti-inflammatory and microbial properties, so that helps with things like dandruff or any other scalp conditions. And back in India, a lot of people also say that amla is really nice for slowing down the graying of hair. So basically, it's a really nice ingredient for both your hair and scalp health. And next up, for the base, I will be using this coconut oil, 1 cup of it. You can also use sweet almond oil if you have, but traditionally in India, people use base of coconut oil. Lastly, I'll be using a little bit of castor oil, few drops of it. I got this one from Amazon. This is optional. If you do not have it, just skip it. This oil is really thick, so it's really hard to use it on its own. So I really like to mix it up with any DIY hair oil or whenever I'm oiling my hair with olive oil. It's really nice, has lots of amazing benefits. But since it's like really thick, it's necessary to mix it up with different kind of oils. I have the blending jar here and first up I'm gonna be blending the fenugreek seeds. Taking 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds. So this is the consistency which we are looking for, like something like this. For making this oil, I'm using double boiler method because this prevents oil from burning. I have a pot of boiling water over here. I will just turn on the gas and let it boil. Over that, I'm gonna be keeping a bowl like this. So the water is still less. I want the water to touch the base. So I'll be adding a little bit of more water. So now I have added a little bit of more water. Now I'm gonna place this bowl like this, and as you can see, the hot water is touching the base of this bowl, and we are gonna place all the ingredients here, and all the oil and the ingredients are gonna combine well together with the heat of the water beneath. Okay, so first off, I'll be adding this coconut oil. And as you can see from the heat, the coconut oil will start melting soon, and then I'll be adding fenugreek seeds. And also I'm adding the amla, Indian gooseberry, 2 tablespoons of that. Few drops of castor oil as well. So I'll stir the mixture like that so that everything gets all nice and well combined. And as you can see, coconut oil has started to melt, and you want to cook this mixture for 20 to 30 minutes so that everything gets all nice and well combined. Okay guys, so this is done, and as you can see, the oil color has changed slightly. That's because the fenugreek and the amla has been infused in the oil. So now I'm gonna take this. Here I have a strainer. I'm gonna strain the mixture like so. Press this mixture using a spoon so that the excess oil comes out. You don't want to waste any good stuff. So I left this oil in this bowl for quite some time so that it comes in the room temperature. Now I'm gonna take a airtight container and I'm gonna transfer this oil over here. And even if this mixture goes in, it will settle down in the bottom, so you do not have to worry. but I'm gonna just leave it like that. Okay, so here is the oil, and I made a little batch of this one, but if you wish to, you can totally go ahead and make a larger batch. I love applying hair oil before shampoo and conditioner. This just makes my hair so soft and smooth, and you can totally go ahead and use this hair oil twice a week. You can use this oil on your roots and also in your ends. And personally, I like to leave hair oil for maximum of 2 hours because I do have acne prone skin, and as per my dermatologist back in India 7 years ago, he told me that if you have acne prone oily combination skin, hair oil does get transferred to your skin, and that in turn causes more acne. So you really want to be mindful about the duration of how long you are keeping the hair oil. And yeah, that was all for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, let me know in the comment section down below, and also let me know if you made this oil and what do you feel about it. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna leave my handle on screen, and yeah, let's be friends over there, and I'll see you guys next time. Till then, bye.